So we have a two-way switch here. So as before, let's get rid of the CPC. CPCs are connected into the back of the insulated box onto the earth terminal, just in case either the back box or the front plate are turned into metal. Therefore, they become an exposed conductive part and would need to be connected to the CPC. Again, trying to work around the tripod. Never taught me that when I was training. Can you do an electrical installation working around a tripod? So that one's secured in the back of the box. We've now got our conductors to be identified. So we need to identify the grey and black conductor. So if we put the brown sleeve in onto the grey, and brown sleeve in onto the black. And then we've got to connect this up. So we've got our one gang two-way switch. We've got common L1 and L2, and we're going to put the black one in the common, and it doesn't matter which one goes, L1 and L2, whether it be brown or grey. It doesn't matter what we did over at the other switch. So don't go over there and look what you've done there. It doesn't really matter where they go. So black's the important one. Black goes into common. I've already doubled these ends over off camera. You've seen me do that enough times on camera. So connect that one up like so. So black's in common, and then pop our other two conductors in. Grey, a brown conductor in as well. And then we've added that extra switch on. So there we go. We've got black identified with brown sleeving going in common, the grey identified with brown sleeving, and the brown conductor from the 3 cord coming into the top. Could be the bottom. You could turn the switch around. People say, well, it could be the other way around. It could be the other way around. It's actually the common that's important in this case, common being black. And of course, we've secured our CPC into position.